In this video, you will learn how to link Instagram to Snapchat. So if you want to connect or if you want to link your Instagram account to your Snapchat account, all you need to do after you open up your phone now, go and open up your Snapchat app. So after you open the Snapchat app like this now, all you need to do now, you can tap on this as can see now your profile at the top. So after you tap on your profile like this now tap on this share button, this one. After you tap on the share button, now tap on this copy link to copy the link of your Snapchat profile. Now I copy the link of my Snapchat profile. Now close your Snapchat and go to your Instagram. So now after you open up your Instagram like this now, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile like this now tap on this edit profile. So after you open edit profile like this now scroll to down. As you can see here it says add link, so tap on it. So now tap on this add external link. So in this session now, long press your hand and press the link of your Snapchat. So now here is the link of my Snapchat profile. So in this session now all you have to do now, go and type in Snapchat. So after you type in Snapchat like this now, here is it now, here is the link and here is Snapchat. So tap on this save button. So now tap on this back arrow, back again. So as you can see now I link my Instagram to Snapchat. Now if I tap on this link, it will take me to my Snapchat account. That's it guys on how to connect Instagram to Snapchat. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching guys.